there's plenty of logistics already here in Greater Hamilton, and I guess over the last 3 years, the online sales side of things have definitely flourished and allowed small manufacturing in Greater Hamilton to boom.
It's a thriving area. We've got so many farmers and good businesses around that there's just plenty of work. There's plenty of people and there's plenty of options to do different stuff.
Well, the business is one part. It's very easy to grow a business in Hamilton, but it's more than that. It's living in a great town, and our customer base is as far as we want it to be.
A lot of our furniture goes to Melbourne, Adelaide, the Surf Coast. We had 31 acres here rezoned light industrial, and if this isn't the most attractive workplace in Australia, then I'll go he. What greets us in the morning is not stress, just kangaroos.
I think the biggest asset Hamilton's got is its location. You know, if you put Hamilton, then go 300k radius of Hamilton, where does it put you? It puts them in most major regional centres in Victoria, gives you a good part of the southeast of South Australia. So I just think really our location is probably our biggest selling point. It gives us access to a lot of our markets.
With the small manufacturing, we are centrally located, so we're an hour from South Australia, we're an hour from Horsham, an hour from Portland. Quite easy to get material delivered here. There's probably 3 or 4 other engineering businesses in Hamilton, but we all work with each other and plenty of work for everyone to go around.
What we find here is that we can crop at a lot heavier rates than what others can because the soil can handle it. It's just incredible the opportunities that we've got. So if we can capitalise on that, which is what we're doing, in the next 3 to 5 years, there's a real significant industry that can come from it.
I've based my manufacturing off, I think, what the region needs. If I was still living in Melbourne, I don't think I would have even attempted to start a manufacturing business because the overheads would have just been too much. Hamilton has given me that opportunity.